I told them, and they said no. They turned down my business offer. People said, see, it didn't work. Even if you can't talk well, have no connections, even if you're not good at this business, you can be a success. I used to debate all night about whether to tell my friends about Atomy, and if they'd accept or not, then I'd make up my mind. He'll do it for sure. I've made up my mind. One time, with all of my reasons and my resolve, I went to tell my friend the next day, and he said, "Han-gil, how did you get this way?" I decided that I would meet 10 people a day to explain the product or business no matter what. I will not go home before I tell 10 people. This is how I resolved myself. But one night, it was almost midnight, and I only got 9. So I went around my friend's apartment on the way home. It was midnight, so I sat on the swing in the children's playground, debating whether or not I should call him. I was debating with myself. I said to myself, oh, let's just keep a promise to myself and stay up all night here. But the dew was so cold on my shoulders that they began to hurt. And after 30 minutes, I said, oh no. Though he wasn't going to do it, I called him to keep the promise to myself. But I couldn't tell him directly. Only after I told him in a roundabout manner did he say, so, what do you want? I said, buy a cosmetic set for your wife. You talked to me for 30 minutes to ask me that? Then he said, leave a box with me. I'll pay you for it tomorrow. I was sure that this friend was really not the type I expected to compliment my business, but he did. I realized then that accepting or rejecting is all up to their own minds. So what I realized then was the law of own mind. Sales went way up after realizing the law of own mind. Now nothing is hard. I just talk. There's a company called Atomy that sells good quality products for super low prices. The products are good. I've tried them. Try them too. Why not start a business? There's a lot of people making money. Let's go to a seminar. Then it's up to them to debate it or not me. I just sleep worry-free. The next day, I ask when they want me to send the products or when they want to go to the seminar. And then I sleep without worrying about anything. Then if I keep asking, will they go or not? Buy or not? They keep on debating it. Whether they go or not is up to their own mind. You don't have to try to be good. As long as you keep talking, after 10 or 100 times, you'll get good at it. If you keep doing something, in the end, you're going to get good at it. There's only one reason that sales are hard. You spend all night worrying about how to persuade the other person. And their response, then you get too tired and you give up on your own. Don't do that. Just talk. Talk freely. Then whoever's going to do it will do it, and those who won't, won't.